If we believe in the recommendation system, then our number one priority needs to be keeping every individual section of the field above the critical level. So we should cut back in specific areas that don't need it as much, instead of cutting a blanket percentage, say 20% across the board. Digging in a little deeper, we want to cut back where there's more excess available nutrients. As those green bars start to get lower though, we run a higher risk of one of them dropping into the red zone because there's less fertilizer margin out there. Say in a normal year, we're aiming to bring a grid section up to a pH of 6.4, but we have an error in our sample results. We think that this area needs less lime than it actually does, so we only apply enough to bring it up to a 6.1. That's a missed opportunity. But say this year, we're cutting back and have our pH target set to just that 6.1 number. The same sampling error and reduction in lime rates would mean that we only apply enough to bring it up to 5.8. The agronomic impact from 5.8 to 6.1 is much stronger than it is from 6.1 to 6.4. So the agronomic impact of sampling errors and the agronomic value of sampling accurately both increase when we're trying to cut back on our overall rates. Accurate depths, quality cores, and sample locations are all really important aspects of that, and I've got videos on each of those on my website. That's why I think that soil sampling matters more in a tough economy.